Hello students, how are you? Today we have to discuss class 8 mathematics exercise 1.1. In previous lecture we have already considered some questions, question number 1 to 5 in the mathematics section of rational numbers. Today we have to discuss remaining questions. Here question number 5. Question says that express in standard form. Part first 15 upon 65. Standard form means they have no common factor. Standard form means they have no common factor. For this you can take HCF of those numbers. You can take HCF of 15 and 65. Otherwise, if your mathematics is good, then you can cut both the numbers in any separate number, single number. Here we can cut here 5. We can cut those numbers with 5. Then 5 3 is 15. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. It means 3 upon 13. This is the standard form of the rational numbers. It means numerator and denominator have no common factor. Standard form means numerator and denominator has no common factor. Here 3 and 13 having no common factor. It means this is the simplest form or standard form of the given rational number. Now, in the similar way, you can solve remaining questions. Question number 2, this is 33 upon minus 7. You can cut both the numbers with 11. It is your hint. Question number 3, minus 13 upon minus 78. Question number 4, minus 21 upon 15. According to this question, you can solve these remaining questions and you get these questions in their standard form. Now we have to go question number 2. Question number 6. Question number 6 is write down the absolute value of the following rational number. Absolute value. What is the meaning of absolute value, students? The meaning of absolute value is that if P upon Q is any rational number, then the absolute value of P upon Q will be greater or equal to 0. It means P upon Q is always a positive number. What is the meaning of absolute value? Absolute value says that the rational number which is always greater or equal to 0, that is, we can say that the number is always positive or either positive or 0. Now, question number 6 of first 3 upon 5 minus 5. Then we can write in the proper way the absolute value of the rational number (3 upon minus 5) is equal to 3 upon 5. Numbers are same but sign is always plus. Numbers are same but sign is always taken plus. It means we have to take either 0 or greater than 0. That is positive numbers. Then we can say that the absolute value of the rational number 3 upon minus 5 is 3 upon 5 simply. In the same way, you can solve all the remaining questions. Question number second is minus 4 upon 7. Then you can write it. The absolute value of the rational number minus 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 upon 7. 8 upon 9, you can solve these questions, and minus 6 upon minus 11. You can solve these remaining questions. Now we have to move question number 7. Question number 7 is evaluate the value. First, mod of 1 upon 3 plus mod of minus 3 upon 2. This sign is called as modulus sign. This is modulus sign. Modulus sign is same as absolute value. That is, we can say that any number which is negative, if we can take modulus of that number, then this number is always positive. It means this is 1 by 3 already positive, and this is minus of 3 by 2. But we have to take a mod, it means it is simply 3 by 2. It is not taken any negative number, because mod says that every number is positive. Here you can learn in your mind mod of minus x is equal to x simply, but in the higher classes you can see that the modulus function is in his proper way. We have to define in higher classes, but here only you can think modulus of minus x is equal to x simply. Now we have to solve this number. Take an LCM. 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, and 3 3 is 9. This is 11 upon 6. If you have to convert this into the mixed fraction, this is the simplest answer. Now here you can multiply this number and this number and this number. 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 3 3 is 9. Now the remaining question you can solve yourself. Remaining question is question number 2. Mod of 4 upon 7 minus mod upon 3 minus 3 upon 5. And third is minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 by 6. Now student, you can solve these questions, and we will meet in the next video. Till bye.